My name is Violet Robinson. I am the quality group lead over skid steer, and I've been with JCB for, this will be my 5th year. My job consists of leading the team to make sure the machines are inspected at the end of the line. I went from being a temp to just a team member, and then I became a team lead, and now I'm the quality group lead. That is the goal for JCB. It allows you to step up and move up. That is everybody's success story here. That would be what we would hope everybody is able to achieve. The best part about living in Savannah is living at the beach. I mean, I live 20 minutes from the beach, so we're there almost every weekend when it's warm. JCB is a great company to expand your knowledge on. It's like having a second family. They always are there for you with whatever help you may need. They have great benefits and they do great work with the community. It is a lot of work, but it's rewarding work. So be prepared to do an extensive job, but we provide the training you need to succeed.